Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a person who inspired you to do something interesting.
Well, throughout my life, many people have inspired me. I have kind of blessing who have inspired me. In I mostly inspired to my cousin. His name is Farhan. He is far away from my home, like 60 kilometer away. But thanks to technology to conversation with him. In I inspired him because I inspired him.
I was inspired by him.
I was inspired by him because when Corona pandemic are here last year, me and my brother are jobless. He inspired me to learn some skills in digital marketing. To earn some monies. Me and my brother, me and brother has learning digital marketing from his behalf. He some examples. He takes some examples to earn some more money in digital marketing. So I have inspired from him.
Okay, thank you. 1 minute, 8 seconds. There's a lot of repetition. Repetition of ideas, repetition of vocabulary, repetition of sentence structure. So try to come out of that. I mean, for inspire, you can use the word he encouraged me,
Encourage
he
me.
motivated me, right? So these type of things will improve your pen score. Now, let's move on to speaking part 3. At the same time, try to brush up your English grammar. There are
Okay.
grammatical mistakes as well. Who motivates children the most, teachers or parents?
I think teachers are motivate students because he's because he is because
How can teachers motivate children?
teachers motivate children behalf of its study.
Okay, for part 3, at least there should be 5 to 6 sentences, right? So try to speak more. The way you performed, generously, I'm giving you 5 band. If examiner is strict, it can be 4 or 4.5 as well. So work hard, especially part 3, because in part 3 you didn't give any satisfactory answer,
Okay.
right? Thank
Thank
you.
you.